So down here is my velocity time graph for the object slowing down in a negative direction. So my equation for this graph, or this line rather, is velocity equals 27 centimeters per second squared times time minus 134 centimeters per second. So you can use this equation to find velocity, because if you cancel out the units, this will become 27 centimeters per second times whatever your time number was, and then minus another centimeters per second. So therefore you end up with centimeters per second, which is the unit for velocity. So basically the slope here is 27 centimeters per second squared, which means that for every second that passes, the object's velocity, will decrease by 27 centimeters per second. Again, you could see that your object is traveling in a negative direction because the velocities here are negative, and the negative tells you your direction. And you know that it's slowing down because if you look here, your slope, 27 centimeters per second, which is essentially your acceleration, your constant acceleration. Since the acceleration is positive and velocity is negative, therefore your object is slowing down. So by taking the area underneath the velocity time graph, I could find the total displacement of the object, which is in this case approximately 251 centimeters. And just saying that this initial velocity here is going to be negative 134 centimeters per second, which means that at time 0, the velocity of this object will be negative 134 centimeters per second, and that number will the absolute value of that number will become increasingly smaller because it is slowing down.